In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Messenger app not working on PC. Let's get started. First, try repairing and resetting the Messenger app. For that, launch Settings. Now head over to the option Apps. Navigate to the option Installed Apps. From the list of apps, find Messenger. Then click on three dots. Select the option Advanced Options. Now scroll down, click on the option Repair. Wait for a few seconds, then click on the option Reset. After this, check if the app is working properly again. If the issue is not fixed, follow another step. Start by searching for WSReset in the Windows search bar and open it. This will refresh the Microsoft Store. After that, restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, launch Settings, navigate to Apps, then head over to the section Installed Apps, find Messenger, click on three dots, select Install, confirm the install. Now open Microsoft Store, search for Messenger and reinstall it. Once the installation is complete, open the app again and it should be working normally. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix Messenger not working on PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.